Hello friends, welcome back. We are solving examples as part of limits of trigonometric functions. Let's look at this example. We have been given find out the limit of secant x minus 1 divided by x square as x tends to 0. Now if you substitute x equal to 0, this goes into the form of 0 by 0. That means we have to convert this into one of these forms or combination of these forms so that we can apply the formula. So for that what I will do, I see here sin and cos, but I see in the problem secant. So let me try to convert that into cos. So for that I will write secant x as 1 by cos x minus 1 divided by x square. That's nothing but equal to limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos x by cos x into x square. Let us say 1 by x square. This is nothing but equal to, now still if I substitute x equal to 0, 1 minus 1 0, so again it's going into the form of 0 by 0 only. So I need to do couple of more steps, make sure that something like cos x, can I get this into sin? So for that you have to be very comfortable with the trigonometric formulas. The formula 1 minus cos x is nothing but equal to 2 sin square x by 2. This 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2 comes from cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x or cos square x minus sin square x. When instead of 2 you have x, this will become 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. So I can write 1 minus cos x as 2 sin square x by 2. I'll bring the x square here. You should have understood by this time what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to convert into sin x by x format into 1 by cos x. Now the next step will be, I will take 2 out. I will say limit sin square x by 2. I will write it as sin x by 2 into sin x by 2. And I have x square, so I can give x here, but I need x by 2, so I have to divide by 2 and I have to multiply by 2. I hope you are comfortable with that. Then I will have 1 by cos x. Now you can separate all these limits. X tends to 0, I can say 2 limit x tends to 0 sin x by 2 by x by 2. By the way, 2 into 2 is 4. I will take it out. Then I will have limit of x tends to 0 again sin x by 2 by x by 2 into limit x tends to 0 1 by cos x. Now you can see how successfully we have converted this into the form of whatever we know, that is nothing but sin x by x or cos x. Now you can see here this is pretty straightforward. Now 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. This whole thing is 1. X tends to 0 sin x by 2 by x by 2. Similarly the next one is also 1 and cos of 0 is 1. So your answer is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. So remember, for doing limits on trigonometric functions, you should be very comfortable with all trigonometric formulas, especially this formula, which will be very useful. 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x or 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2. You can see that in 1 minus cos x, when we substitute x equal to 0, we go into the form of 0. But if you convert that into 2 sin square x by 2, if you have enough x square with you, information in the denominator, then you can easily manipulate it and you can convert them into the form of sin x by 2 and cos x. Let me repeat that how we did this, summarizing this. We have been given limit secant x minus 1 by x square x tends to 0. Now we have converted that into cos. It becomes 1 by cos x minus 1 divided by x square. That's nothing but equal to 1 minus cos x by cos x into 1 by x square. Now still I am going to 0 by 0 form, so I have to do little bit of more work. I have used trigonometric formula, half angle formula or submultiple angles formula, and I have converted 1 minus cos x into 2 sin square x by 2. The x square I have shifted to the left side and I have kept 1 by cos x to the right side. Now you can see that sin square x by 2 is nothing but sin x by 2 into x by 2. To make the function this value equal to 1, I should divide by x by 2, but I already have x square with me, so I have to just divide by 4 and multiply by 4. Now once I do that and I separate them and apply a limit on each one of them, you will see that 2 into 2, 2 by 4 into this whole thing is 1, 1 and 1, that's nothing but equal to 1 by 2. Let's solve one more problem. Now what I want you to do is try this particular problem. If you remember the formula, 1 minus cos 2x equal to 2 sin square x, or 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2, or 1 minus cos mx equal to 2 sin square mx by 2. I want you to try this problem by using converting 1 minus cos mx as 2 sin square mx by 2, and as we have done in the previous problem, in the same way you can solve this and you will get m square by n square. I want you to try that out. Okay, let's go to the next problem. We have been given 1 minus cos 2x plus tan square x divided by x sin x. As x tends to 0, we have to find out the limit of this. If you substitute x equal to 0, I see 1 minus 1 plus 0 divided by 0. That's nothing but 0 by 0 form. So we have to convert this into 1 of sin x by x or cos x. So we will do that. For that, first I will take this part. Just now we have discussed that this is very important formula for limits. So 1 minus cos 2x is nothing but equal to 2 sin square x plus tan square x divided by x sin x. Now what I will do, I will divide by x sin x each one of the terms in the numerator and see what happens. So it's nothing but equal to 2 sin square x by x sin x plus tan square x by x sin x. I'll simplify it further. I'll go to next step. Limit x tends to 0. We will separate them now. Sin square x by sin x is sin x. So I can write it as 2 into limit x tends to 0 sin x by x plus limit x tends to 0. Now let us see what I can write tan square x by sin x here. Tan square x by sin x is nothing but equal to sin square x by cos square x into sin x, or can I say sin x by cos square x. So this will become sin x by x into limit of x tends to 0 1 by cos square x. What I have done is tan square x by sin x is nothing but sin square x by cos square x. Sin x will go sin x times sin square x sin x times. So you are left with sin x by x cos square x. If I put x here, it will be sin x by x cos square x. So I have separated them. Sin x by x is separate and 1 by cos square x. Now you know that 2 into this is 1 sin x by x plus again I have one more 1 into cos square x. Cos 0 is 1. So the answer is nothing but equal to 3. I will repeat again. Tan square x by x is sin x. We have converted that into sin and cos. That's nothing but sin square x by cos square x. Sin x in denominator will go sin x times in the numerator. So you are left with sin x by cos square x. Separated cos square x because you know x tends to 0, cos square x is always 1. I need sin x by x which I already got here. So I am very happy. I can just substitute the values. I will get answer as 3. We'll do one more problem. Let's look at this. Limit x tends to 0, tan of 3x minus 2x divided by 3x minus sin square x. What I will do, if I have x equal to 0, I am going into 0 by 0 form. So I will try to divide by 3x throughout and let us see what happens. If I do that, I will have tan 3x by 3x. The whole idea is to make sure that this will become 1 minus of 2x by 3x divided by 3x by 3x minus sin square x divided by 3x. Now let's simplify this. Tan 3x, so we'll write it as it is, limit x tends to 0, that's nothing but equal to tan 3x by 3x minus 2 by 3 because x cancels divided by 3x will cancel one time. So I'll have 1 minus sin x into sin x. Can I write it as I have, if I have 3x, so I can give it to x here. I have 1 by 3. I need one more x to make it 1, so I'll write down again one more x. I hope you are okay with that, what I have done. We have sin square x by 3x, so I have written it as sin square x by 3x. I need one more x to make it 1, so that I can make this as 1. So I have kept that, but I need one more x to balance it out. So sin square, what we have written is very simple. Sin square x by 3x, I have written it as sin square x by x square into x by 3. Simple. So that sin x by x, sin x by x. Okay, right. Now let's substitute this. What we will get? So I'll do one by one. When I do limit x tends to 0 tan 3x by 3x, that's nothing but equal to, let me write it down. Limit x tends to 0 tan 3x by 3x minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into limit x tends to 0 sin x by x into x by 3. This is nothing but equal to, now this part is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 divided by 1 minus, this is 1, this is 1, but this is 0. So this whole thing becomes 0. That's nothing but 1 minus 2 by 3 by 1, that's equal to 1 by 3. So once the problem is given to us, we have to see how to convert that into one of the forms of sin x by x or cos x. Here we have seen that tan 3x, so if you make it divide by 3x, you know tan x by x as x tends to 0 limit is 1. So we have leveraged that, we have divided throughout with 3x and we simplified. We found that the value is nothing but equal to 1 by 3. In the next session, we will do some more examples as part of limits trigonometric functions. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.